Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, position the focal object and the buffer medium within arm's reach, and put on safety gear. You calibrate intention by taking 3 steady breaths. This aligns focus. Once done, record baseline energy and mood so you can compare results later. You initiate the partial res type soul procedure by placing one hand over the focal object and the other at chest height. Keep palms relaxed. Make sure to breathe evenly and note subtle shifts during these first targeted activations. You continue with the core sequence by introducing slow, rhythmic gestures at roughly 1/2 to 1 cycle per second. Maintain this for 3 to 5 minutes. As you move, speak a brief anchor phrase to stabilize intent and synchronize body and mind. Once steady, shift subtle pressure patterns and micro-timing to encourage release or reorientation. These adjustments affect depth. Make sure to monitor sensations closely. If anything feels sharp or overly intense, reduce intensity and return to breathe-focused. You finish by sealing the process. Slow your breath, soften your touch, and say a short closure phrase to signal completion. Once done, re-record your energy baseline and note any changes. Rest for 10 to 15 minutes to allow integration. If things go wrong, intense dizziness, nausea, or emotional overwhelm, stop immediately, hydrate, sit or lie down, and eat a simple snack to ground yourself. Make sure to seek support if symptoms persist. Early intervention prevents escalation and helps reset safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.